Hello.
Yes, JK, you
All
can
of you
start
can
now.
hear me? Yeah. All of you can hear me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, no, sir, and all. I am your senior. Hello. Yeah, like, can you all like turn on your camera first? And I'll also turn on. You all can see me?
Yeah, we can see.
Hi, hi. So yeah, like I can see some of you. Hi, nice to meet you. Myself is Jay Krishnan. I don't know. Maybe you all know me as JK from your seniors and faculty and all will have told you. Yeah, I'm clear, right? You can audible. Yeah. Hope you all had nice lunch and all.
Yeah, we can hear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So let's begin like a. I think let's begin like a small game. Like just to freshen up. So, how many of you know like Simon Says game? Simon Says. Simon Says. So I'll tell you like the game is like Simon says I'll tell something. Maybe like raise your left hand, or like raise your right hand, or look this side, like that side. I'll tell like something will be told like after Simon says. So it has to be, you have to do that accordingly only when Simon says,
Yes.
when I tell that Simon says. Understood? Yeah. Okay, let's begin. Simon says lift your left hand. Simon says lift your right hand. Simon says no, like you can't yeah, both hands has to be up. I didn't say put down the left hand. Okay, that's nice. Simon says, put down both your hands. Simon says, stand up. That's all. It's okay. It's okay. If you can't, it's okay. Nice, nice. Look up. I didn't say Simon says. Yeah. Nice, nice. Okay, okay. Nice. Let's begin. So like Sandeep, I think Sandeep sir has been talking to you. Like he has given you like a small thing about like questioning and all, right? Questioning of an interview. I am actually like after I finished architecture and I have like now I'm doing like an architecture writing, architectural journalism and all. So like I've been writing around for the past 1.5 years in magazines like around the globe and all. Like parametric architecture is one platform that I'm writing. Then I'm doing design detail. You will know all these magazines and all. So let's begin. Like I have like made some like a small thing. Like it's about how you like take and like an interview of an architect. So I will show you like a small thing. Like it's nothing serious. Can you all see my screen? Is it visible?
No.
1 second. Okay, maybe I think you all can turn off the camera. It will kind of lag. Present now. You all can see, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, interviews like a is the most exciting part actually in an architectural writing or architectural journalism. So you get to have like a conversation like with one famous architect or someone who's like so or like a celebrity is there. So it's that few moments that you share with the person that makes it very interesting, like how you share with them, how that kind of moments it actually affects the mood, the feel, how you will be sharing with the interviewer and the interviewee, so I am going to actually tell you like a small in an interview that I have done. So we'll go to that. So in the beginning, it's like the basics of interviews, like what, how, who, why, when, where. It's like the basic questions that comes. So from that, you form in your different what you have to ask and what it has to be. You form it from there. So this is like the interesting part. Okay, like the conversation. It need not be like the interviewer is like going to be asking questions and there'll be like a response from the person who is being interviewed. So it's actually like a to and fro. Like there will be sometimes a question from them. Like so, you can keep that kind of an open dialogue between them. So that makes it a very meaningful conversation you can have. So this is like kind of showing how media or like how the journalism field would present like or takes an interview. So here I've shown in the left side and all, it's like how it used to be. But nowadays it's very easy actually. What you need is just a phone. Like you can like now it's all in the phone. You can record, you can shoot video. Like, all the things are possible. You can even connect a microphone and then put a small mic to it also. So that's how nowadays we are doing interviews. All of us can see the screen, right? When I'm changing correctly. You can stop me also in between. Some of you like want to ask something in between. Yeah. So this is like I've named it as like the story of an interview. So it's actually it's actually there was like a design festival that happened in Goa last year. So I had been there. It's like a big like 3-day workshops and all was happening. So there was this architect. His good name was Oliver Goodhall. He's from London. So I had the opportunity to interview him. So we'll just see. Like I have just put a small brief of what the interview was. Like in the end, I'll share you like how the full interview was in depth. Like I have like a PDF and all. I'll share with you where you can read through later. So these are like the main points. Like you see, like a welcoming approach. Like when you meet a person, and it's like he's a stranger to you. Like how do you then get into that kind of conversation? You need to be observant. You need to when you're sitting for an interview. Also, that space is very important. Where you are sitting, that space you can just rearrange. So this actually happened in the morning. Like as we are walking into a hall for a workshop, so I met him there. I met him actually 2 days back, but we scheduled the interview for the third day. So this is on the third day, what you see the scene. So I just sat with him and we just talked. So it's like we set the place that then and there. That bench channel was not there, so we just moved it from one point. Okay, we'll just sit here. This is like a good location. And there's some people and all are moving in also, but you kind of feel open. You're close. The posture and all that also is part of it. That then comes all the language and it's actually that improvisation that happens during this part that actually transforms and kind of gives you that kind of feel into an interview. So yeah, this is like a scene one. It's like something how you beginning. So it's like like I am talking to him like after 2 days, right? So it's like that last 2 days were fun and all. You're getting into that conversation, like making it free, like free conversation, that free talk. It's happening. So you actually begin like a question with a like telling about the story or like how like you begin with from where did you begin your architecture, how was your first step into it. So that actually in the blue box you see, it's actually what I've written as like how I got into that question. Like the first question is like it's like I'm like briefly telling him like so fun, like finally we are on to the interview on like on the third day, like based on previous meetings with him during the workshops. And it's like scene two. So I'm asking about his studio. Like his studio's name is We Made That. So how I got that information. So it's like that is like from internet sources, online research, website, YouTube, and other social media. So you will get about all these details that you wanted. So you collect all this research information beforehand. So that gives you like a the thing is be there like let all the things collect all the things beforehand so you can have that conversation then and there. So then you ask So it's like multiple questions also. This is not, wow, it's like one question. Like it can be like a motto of your studio, or like how did you step into architecture, or like something from, that's how you frame each questions in these scenes. Then you move into like a question like an urban, what is your vision? Like that is from his design. Like he does more of urban, like street design and all he does. So according to that, and there will be some knowledge that you have developed over the years. So like this from one book I've read called City Rediscovering the Sender, written by William H. White. I could relate, like when I was talking to him, this book had designs of street life and how to design like a street life. So I could really, that's how your information is coming into forming a question, or like there how it's kind of how you can relate to that and his ideology and ask like a question. Then it's about then the next question is like I'm asking about some kind of an idea that he brought out. It's called the Unlimited Edition. It's actually a newspaper that he has brought out. So how I got this was like the day before he did a presentation during the workshops. So he was talking about it. So you take from that also, like you're listening and you're hearing from there also. You're getting some questions from there. So that's how you frame the question, something like that. Then you have a question like how you can ask about some of his designs. So this is one design. It's called the East Street Library. So that also like from research of his portfolio and his works and all, you'll get, and you take something from it. Like I was asking like the visual part of the how I began the question is like a visual part of the design. It can be multiple things. It can be maybe for you it may be striking is the spatial something quality and all, that will be the most striking thing, or something else that can be. So according to that you can base a question, and then you can come into a questionnaire. This is like in the end, like how you get like a guidance question. So this is like the end, by the ending, like when you're ending like an interview, like you take give like a question like which is like a cool off, like gives you like asking for guidance or something about his experience. How can you share some of your experience or something, like how was your visit to India? Like he came from London like for the 3 days and all. So like that kind of way you how you add it into it. So and this is like I've just put it out into like each frames, like how you begin. So like the things only what I have told, the story, the whole thing. So you begin with an introduction of yourself, then you're presenting your role, what you're here for, what you want, or what time you need to sit with him, like what that you kind of explain in the beginning. Then you go like you just do like a free talk, like something like how was your stay, or how are you doing, something that kind of breaks the ice, and gets you into that comfort zone to have like a question. Then there's like a question like can be like you can start like with a personal question, like something like story where you begin like that, and something then you can relate to your work and philosophy like that. Creative question is what you can make, like it can be related to what is happening around, can be to the future, something questioning to the future, like a post-pandemic world. That is what something you can ask now, like after this COVID and all happened, you can ask when you're sitting in an interview. That will be like a one creative question, like how do they think the world will be, or like how do you think architecture is going to be in a post-pandemic world. Then there's like a question like design something based on their design, something of their project, something that you, so that project you can relate to something that you like from the project, you can take and take that, point that out, and you can ask in that way, and how a scenario is actually working out. So that is like how you saw all the both of us sitting like in that space, and all that space also can insight you into some question, maybe like the people passing around or something so that kind of gives you also a new idea, like you can, that's how that improvisation also comes, based on where you are, that space around you. Then there are like questions like where it is like opinions. There is opinion and some activities that he has done, or like that is all coming from the research only. Like all you get some ideas of what his activities are now. So you ask. Then the question number 7 is like a guidance question, like what I showed you, like a guidance, like a cool off before ending. Then you leave with like a lasting impression, something, like a something like a very charming question, like very like you all both of them can like end with a smile in that way. So this it's not like a one question, like it's like showing like 8 frames or it's like 8 questions. It has to be like you can add on like in each point that you can add on like more questions and all, or like you can add on, you can reduce it into small short interviews and all. So this is like the small it's like, so this I'm showing you like how it was finally came into like a print and all. I'll be sharing with you the full article actually, so we can like read through how we are actually framed and how the answers and all he gave and all into it. This is another interview of an architect called Jeremy Smith. This also I did like last year only on design festival that happened in Kochi. So this was like a three people, like two of us were like the interviewers, and two of us were interviewing this architect. So that will be like a different conversation again. Like when two more than two people are there, like you can have more interaction. There will be like more sharing of things. One idea can be put from one person, then the other person can take over in some way. So that is like another interesting way how interviews are happening. So yeah, that is like the small gist. Again, if you want to ask something on anything. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like what you have seen, like what do you think, like something you are getting, or something you want to see, or something you want some more explanation. Hello. Everyone can
No.
everyone can turn on their cameras, I think. Yeah. So like I don't know, like maybe this will be like something like too much when you're seeing like in a first year and all. But it's actually that fun part of it, what I am showing. Like it's actually it's not like this structured and all when you're talking and all. Like when you're sitting and it's actually like you're chilling and you're just talking things. It can be like even this interview after meeting this before meeting this architect, I had also like a small talk with him like before. We had like a there was like a dinner and or arranged on one day. So we sat together, we are having dinner and all. That also can form like an interview. So like there are also, so there's like a number of ways how you can actually form that interview. So it can create it in a more exciting way. So like yeah, you can ask something, some doubts or some question, some fun thing. You can like what I have shown you. I'll just show you this thing again. You can see my screen. Hello. Yeah, can you see this screen where I have put 8 frames?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, then one of you can. This is visible, right? One of you can like interview me now. Let's see who wants to go. Who wants to try? Using
Sir,
these forms, things I have shown you, like frame your own questions. Simple ones, like need not be, even if it's some small thing, need not be like very design oriented or something. Just use those tags that I've shown. You can see that, right? Hello. Yes, sir, you can see.
Yes, sir.
Only thing when I show this. Okay, you can. Who will go first? Okay, Anjali.
did you start off journalism right after college?
Oh, like journalism. Journalism, yeah, it began like after college, like after that, I think after 1 month or something, I applied to, there was like a writing position open. There's this magazine called Design Detail. You will have seen in your, you might know, like if you can search around like Design Detail. So like one of the national magazines of India, architecture magazine. So they had like an open position. So I just applied. When actually I didn't know also in the beginning all these things, like even I didn't know like what is architectural journalism. I just went in like, okay, maybe I'll just give it a try. Then I got a call from there. So they then just gave me like a small introduction. I had to like write about like a project and all. I did that, and then they gave me like a call. Okay, you are in. You can join in. Then I learned like along the way, along actually going with them with all this. It's like a media, like how you have seen journalists, right? It's like how journalists work, similar to that only, like architectural journalists also. But we go for like all these architectural programs that happen, right? All around the India and all, it will be happening around the world also. So you'll go for that as like the media, like the writer or like a journalist, and then you do all these interviews and you'll talk to people, you'll record. There's so many things part of it. It's one of the fun job. And I'm still in love of that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Who else? Like you can like we can start in that way how I've shown, right? Like okay, like begin like introduce yourself to me, and then like question me. I'll ask one question. Yeah. No, no, like you can like start that I've shown. You can see that, right? No, we can't. That huh? Or you are seeing the screens of you all? No, you're seeing this. You can see that screen, no, which I have put. Yeah, now we can see.
Yes, now we can.
Hmm. Okay, like you can ask in this way, like begin introduction of yourself. Think like you can be you. Each of you can be like an architect writer. Say you are an architect writer or like a journalist, and interview me.
Can we just ask the same thing?
Um, like see, you can make up one question.
Yeah, because it's
Like
hard for
like introduction is something you can do yourself, right? Like it's simple. Then free talk. To do that, like how do you like ask me like where I am and all like right now?
Okay, so hi, myself
Hmm.
Vishishta.
You
So
are
Vishishta.
okay. Hi,
Yeah.
sister.
Yeah, I have joined architecture this year, so it's my first year.
Ah,
So how are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
So just one question,
Ah,
from the past 3 days, what all the teachers have been asking us, like
ah.
why did you choose architecture? Like what made you choose the stream?
Hmm. You're asking me.
Yeah.
The teachers asked you, so you want the answer from me. Okay. So, why did
Yes,
I
sir.
choose architecture? Architecture. mm, one thing. One thing is my dad is an architect, but actually that didn't influence me. Also, like I used to like art a lot. Like I used to like a lot of art and drawing stuff. And one thing is like I've been going with my dad also. Like from since childhood, I've been going with him the site and all, when he used to take me, he used to show me all drawings, and so I used to get like excited, and I was like, it's like good, you're drawing, and you get to paint houses, you get to, it's like, the sketching houses and all. And you see that, I got interested in that way also. Then I was like, okay, like this is like a good profession. So that's how I got into architecture. Uh, Plus, it's a fun field. Like you can, I don't know, it's like you can explore in variety of ways. Like mm, architecture, after architecture also, it's like there's like lots of different parts that you can turn into. So that also like intrigued me a lot. I hope.
And next question is like just few tips for us, like any tips for us, cause we are joining architecture, right? So in this field, like any tips for us you'd like to give to make it
Tips
somewhat
to make it easy.
not easy, like for us to adjust to it, like it's gonna be kind of tough
I
starting
think.
days for us. So
Uh,
how did you take that as a challenge and just give us a few tips?
is it, you all can see the screen? No, no. I just put it into the side. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can see.
That's
It's a
okay.
bit small.
Yes, sir.
I think you all got the idea now. I was not seeing you, like I was seeing my screen only. So yeah, like tips. Mm, tips. Like how are you all finding? Like it's been like how many days? Like just days college started.
4 to 5 days.
A month.
4 to 5 days.
5 days.
Long way to go. So it's actually like it's an experience. Like your studies is going to be like an experience. Like once when you go come into classes and all, now it's like you're all online, right? Once you are into your classrooms and then you all work together and all, then it's going to be, it will be very fun when you're doing design and so many things. There will be like a lot of activities happening also. So like that. I don't know, like what kind of tips you want?
Just to make things easier, like startings may be a
Easier.
little tough on us.
Now it's
So
easy only. No, it's only 5 days.
no, like we should get adjusted to it, right? Like we should make that
Ah,
as art profession. Like we should get into it.
hmm.
So just
And two, one thing is like yeah, keep updating and all yourself. Like that is one thing in architecture. Like there's lots happening. What when you in India, then but abroad there's like lots of things happening. So you can update yourself with architecture. So it's basically using all these like all magazines or like a lot of platforms are there, right? So you can see that and all. So and there's like so many like be inspired like with all that. Like you can have there's like multiple ways you can get inspiration from Instagram and all everything they show like different. So that inspiration is what actually like I think like the best thing that can keep you going. That will be uh, plus everything I don't know, like you'll come to know as you go. It's like this is like the first stage, no, like first year. Okay, you'll have that kind of little sudden like it's like something different, right? Now also you are all coming in through online also, so you'll see. Maybe like after some time you can come into, you can talk to me.
just one last question. Like
Mhm.
how should we interact with people? Like just asking, like if you do a project, like if the
Mhm.
teacher just disagrees and he says that this is wrong or this is wrong, so how should we
Mhm.
convince him that it is right? Make him convinced like that. Like if you had some
To
occasions like that.
convince, that will be, so actually you have to convince in the sense it's actually like proving if you have like the proof and things and all to show. like it will be based on something, no, like when someone says that this is not working or this is something not, then if you can prove that it works in some kind of other way, like not just through your words, like some other ways, if you can prove that, show that it's going to work in that way, then that that's how I think convincing can work.
Okay. Thank you
Mm.
so much.
Plus it's about, yeah, you just have to, like, if you are saying something, there will be like some things which will have talked about that, whatever that idea that you're talking about, some books or something will be there in the online, and also get all that information out, and that you have to like present along, so that actually adds to that point that you're talking about. So,
Thank you so much, sir.
mm. No, you can all just call me just my name. No need to call sir. So how is you all finding for the first 5 days? You all, no one has been to the college, right? No one has gone there. You all just
For
started
the
online
admission
only.
procedures we have
Yes.
gone.
For the admission, you have gone. Nice.
Can I ask you the last question?
Hello.
So can I ask a question?
Yeah, you can ask.
So it's like, what were the sort of situations that you faced in this field, sir? And how did you overcome that one?
Tough situation. I think I'm yet to face. I still haven't faced. Hmm. Uh, there's nothing tough. Like once, if you have the passion and the zeal to do it, then I think there's nothing called tough. Yeah, next one. You want to see this? You all want to see that? Someone can form like a creative question.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya.
Hi, Aishwarya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hmm.
So, what do you like the most about doing work?
What work? It's my work. Or in college.
Both. You can tell both.
College is actually the fun part was in college actually the more. Like you get to be with your colleagues, no, like, and then design and discuss. And yeah, like that. But in coming out, it's like it's like a professional job, like you have to be more practical and things and all, but still it's fun, like when I'm seeing as like a journalist compared to an architect working, you'll be like more free, you'll have more time, you'll be actually going to places. So that is one good part I've seen of journalism, like you get to like see this Goa and all. So I was sent by the company only, so this they'll be sending you to all these events happening and all. So that's one of the fun part of this architecture. You keep moving around, there'll be like some people you have to meet, you'll be, it's like it's not always you're just sitting down and writing and all. You'll be like, sometimes you'll be a photographer, sometimes you'll be a videographer also. You'll be shooting things, you'll be talking to things, you'll be getting things. And the another is like the freedom, like being a journalist, you have the freedom to like to get to these VIPs. Other than so all these events and all happens, they'll always have that separate room and all, VIP room and all. Only you will have access if you are like a media or like you are like a journalist or someone, then you have that access. Otherwise, if you can't go in, to like talk to them, sit with them now. So that is like another best opportunity of this. So it's actually it's just that's fun. Mm.
Okay. So that's
Yeah.
it. What are the biggest challenges and attractions of journalism? Like,
Hmm.
and why did you choose journalism? Why journalism and not other professions like landscaping or something like that?
Why journalism is because you get to interact with these people, right? These architects and all.
Oh.
One thing is it's like a learning step only, like again. So you get to this interaction is what is the biggest thing. Like otherwise you're not getting like, and another part is like you get to see the designs. Like these architects they'll give their projects and all. So they explain to us all these projects, the insides of it. They'll explain all their plan and the design. And otherwise, you can go and ask into a firm like, okay, I want to see your design. They might not give an all. But since this your journalism field, it gives you that opportunity to talk to them, to get to that, to understand, and so that is one big part which I liked about journalism. And plus this freedom to go around, to go meet people. You can go around. There's all these things will be happening. You have to conduct trips and all. Like last year, I had to conduct like a trip to some students in Kerala. So we had, yeah, like we sent them and all to Sri Lanka. So that tour was organized. So the tour was organized by the magazine company. So I had to go around to all these colleges and all. So I had to and then give them, talk to them about this tour, trips and all. So you are only making the whole thing, the whole brochures and things and all.
Hmm.
So it's kind of fun. Hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, ma'am. Your audio is off.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Hi, JK. Are you done with your session?
Hi, I'm almost done.
Okay.
If they don't have any more questions, I'm done.
Okay. They've been coaxed to ask question after question after question. I think now they're tired of asking.
That's right, I think, yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot for coming, JK.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling me.
And I am seeing that you're doing pretty well with your writing,
Hmm.
section on parametrics and all. I follow it
Ah,
whenever I can, and it's very nice.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
How are
good. That
you?
I'm good. I'm good. All of us
Oh,
doing well.
yeah.
Newer, brighter minds joining the club, joining the family.
Yeah. I can see. I don't know, like, but they are interacting. That's good.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that is what I was discussing at the staff room today. Said
Hmm.
touching wood and saying, hoping the same enthusiasm will last, if not
Yeah.
become more in the next 5 years.
Hmm. Nice, nice. They'll be coming, no? Like to college, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shortly, I mean, we are waiting
Shortly,
for the
when it's open.
university to give approval. We are all ready. We'll be
Mm-hmm.
happy. I think they will also be happy. But the thing
Yeah.
is, we're waiting for approvals from university.
Oh, okay. Okay, man.
Okay, JK, thanks a lot for coming and doing the session. I'm sorry I couldn't
Yeah.
couldn't be a part of it because I was held up with other things. But I'm sure you would have done justice to whatever you did, and
Oh, yeah.
you would have
Like
inspired them to
maybe
do.
ask them. I don't know how I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
inspired
We'll
them.
ask. Okay, thanks a lot.
Okay,
If
man.
there's anything, I think Sandeep, you can continue. I will log off. I just came to say hello and thank JK.
Okay, man. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Guys, you can take over if he still has, you know. This guy is a professional. Okay, we are paying him. Okay, he still has 15 more minutes. You can utilize 15 more minutes of it. You can ask questions.
Yeah. You can
50.
come on. Continue.
No worries. Try to ask him na cheat code for assignment that you got.
I was going to suggest that, after you have seen him as a professional now, you can now see him like a senior and ask questions.
Yeah, you can ask. Everyone is thinking. Oh, who put up a chat? You can ask directly. Anytime you're disappointed. Anytime I got disappointed by taking architecture. Disappointed? No, I haven't felt like that. Sometimes you get angry, but like you get upset or not sometimes. But that's part of the job, the course. Another question. Salary. It's actually on how much you do actually, how much time and effort you put in, how much you want to work in. So that's salaries dependent on that. So yeah, like you don't have to actually worry about that, like that salary is there, like it's good enough. Like when you put in the time and effort like that much into it, it's all rewarded in the end. What is your dream? I am in my dream only now. Hmm. This is the good dream. Maybe I'll have some other dream maybe after after some time. But for now, like this is good. It's a good dream that's going on.
So where are you gonna travel next?
Travel next. Let's see after this COVID season is over. Like yeah, then I'll be like according to now. Actually, these events are also not happening now. All these architectural events are also not happening. So not getting that. So now it's all happening online only, like this Zoom call, Meet, Zoom Meet, Google Meet, and all. So there is. If you all have you all heard of this thing called parametric architecture? You can check it out in Instagram and all. Parametric architecture is one platform. So they have come up with this new idea. It's called Illusor. So that is like you are going to be meeting people in a virtual world. So like yeah, it's actually like just launched actually like last week it launched. So you will be like a character. It's actually like playing a game and all. You'll be one character. You can design your character and all. Then you will be inside that space. There will be like a space that is designed. Then you can go around. There you interact with people. So there will be some talks and all is happening there inside. So there will be like an auditorium. You are actually like playing a game. You have a character. You have to move the character to that space. You have to go sit in the auditorium and listen. There will be some DJ parties and all happening. You can go and dance and all. So I think that is going to be the next way how people are going to be interacting in the future. One more question. Do you think this transportation geography suffer from a conceptual problem? I didn't understand. What is it? Who asked? Oh, Nitin Nagan. You can explain more. What is it? Hello. Can I see you? Nitin Nag. Nitam. I have to skip this question. Anything else? Some of you can like try framing the questions like I've shown, and maybe like show it. Any more questions? Does site visits help us? Yes, it does. Site, that is actually very important part when you're in your design. Like you need to see right, like where you are going to be designing, so that, and then the study of it and all. There's like lots of study. I think you'll come across in your course, like how you have to study a site and all. Then it will be more interesting, like how you when you go there and all do all these things. Any more questions?
This is Chandana.
Hi Santana.
Hi. What are the challenges an architecture student face?
As an architecture student, challenges, it's basically about like how you can work through the time, like according to the work and what you get and all, how you can
Time management.
stay up to date like that in your submissions and all, how you clear your subjects. So it's don't see it's like it's not that big kind of a task and all. It's like take it easy, like the beginning though.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else have some queries? Something you want to know? Why did you all take architecture? None of you can say. Who wants to go? Oh, you have already answered that before previously. What was your inspiration to take architecture? No one. I think
Help in building a better India.
Helping?
Building a better India, maybe that's why I chose architecture.
Build better in India.
Yeah.
That's nice, patriotic. Any more?
Your best memory in college?
Best memory in college. I think maybe during the time of Archi Days and all. Archi Days is an event, like a festival that happens in MSA every year. So that time, like there's like all these activities, a lot of fun activities going on. That best memory thesis was the best memory. First year is a good memory. All these tours and all were like good memories and all. Every year we have gone all these tours. It's like lots of memories. Like I can't point out one and say.
Thank you.
Anyone wants to go give it a go? All of you have asked me on one question. Someone who hasn't asked, you can ask. Yes, sir. I think it's almost
Right.
done.
Yeah, looks like. Cool, man. Thanks very much. I mean, they have to. The questions that you asked, what inspires and all. I think the problem is they have the answers, but they are very deep inside the head. They are yet to come out. Everybody usually has it at this point of time.
Yeah.
And
I don't know
it's just
how much it's like. Like
it doesn't come out of mouth so
it's less
fast, But now that at least you asked, they'll start, digging it out. It's there. It's there. Definitely the answer.
Yeah.
They're just excited about joining a new college, starting a new thing, but they don't. Even though they know common logically what is purpose is, they are not yet asked the questions by themselves. They didn't find the time for themselves yet to personally inquire about themselves. It's happening. It's happening. I mean, the entire workshop was designed in such a way for this one, and we are really happy that you had a chance to join this. Basically, today's kind of point was majorly is connecting people, online platform, unfortunately, but still connecting people and seeing how they will prepare themselves for the next 5 years. Hope they'll do the sincere job out of it and take advantage of this task. And let's see how it goes. We can only wish all the best to them. Like everybody, like what you guys have. I mean, I'm really proud when you said. I'm really said I'm living the dream. It's really nice. It's really beautiful to meet people who actually can say that, and really happy for you, man, when you said that. And I wish every student here with us who listens to that would definitely say that in future very soon. Not wait for some 68 years and then say I'm living the dream right now. I mean, you can do nothing wrong about it, but if you know it, then do it.
Yeah.
Then why
wait this time only? Jump into it straight ahead.
Yeah. Nice. I wish every student that was part of this conversation to become that person and say that I'm living a dream.
I also wish all of them. Good luck, guys, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
He's just kind of we call this batch as God senior or God batch or something. First batch of MSc. So these are always open for you guys to interact. So please interact to any social media platform. We are available. We're doing lots of work.
You can contact me.
Jackie would like to share any your. Can you put a comment of your pet? Can you put a comment? Quickly do that.
Into the chat box. Sir, hello.
Did I miss? Did I get cut?
Yeah, it got cut. You were telling something? I have to put something. Hello. Hello.
Hello. I think Sandeep has some problem with his internet, but I don't know. I'm also not sure whether he asked you to enter your phone number or what.
My number.
Sandeep, you were saying something. We missed all of it. I'm not sure.
Instagram account will do actually. Just so that they can
Instagram account.
Insta account should do.
Okay. Insta account is only a dreamer.
Jay Krishna, I think, has stopped presenting. That's the first thing. And I think there is problem from my side also. I haven't realized there is some network gap.
That's my Insta account. The Dreaming Yoda. So I keep updating in that, like some articles and all that I'm writing. So you all can go through that and see. Also, and if you want, like you can talk to me also, message me. Like I'm open all the time. Yes, sir. I think.
Yes, a lot of silence.
Yeah.
Go to like saying that. I was saying that I would like you to meet two of our faculty. I think you have not met them yet. Two of new faculty. They are
Okay.
also part of the studio.
Uh-huh.
We can meet Priyanka ma'am. Priyanka ma'am is there.
Hi.
Ma'am, take
Hi,
care of
ma'am.
student.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
How are you?
I remember vaguely seeing you in the uh, what was that event? Your graduation day.
Oh, in graduation day. Oh, you were there that time. Okay.
Yeah, I was there.
Uh,
It was a nice session. It was good to have, and really like
Thank you,
Sandeep
ma'am.
said, good to see somebody who is happy and like
Uh,
actually living their dreams.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Mm.
We have Eshika also. Eshika ma'am. She just joined this year with us.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Uh,
So we had a very nice session with you today.
Thank you, ma'am. Like a small idea, like a small thing about how interviews. Like I didn't want to like keep it like very deep. Also, just easy. Hope I will help everyone.
Yeah, it was very helpful. I think it is very helpful for the students to have a good idea in a not very, rigid way, not like a class, but like interaction and little demonstration, which you did. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, JK, that was very, very interesting. In
Hmm.
fact, if we have some more time, I'll just thinking I'll take a personal time separate out of this. But now like we are already free. I think we can talk about few things. So you are
Okay.
working from your own place, huh? Is it from home?
Yeah, from home. Now it's like all work from home only. Like we are not going out and all.
Yes, yes. But the magazines still, they are printing.
Yeah,
So
they are also
still,
going like online now. It was not doing printed when COVID started and all it stopped. So it was going all digital. Like that. Yes,
I was just reminded of when we were talking and we students are asking you questions about first year. What were the good moments, good times. I was taken to the times also.
That time.
Yes, yeah. And you talked about all the study tools and everything. He was there.
Yeah.
Thesis, everything. It was making. But
Yeah.
then these questions, the kind of platform, how do we perceive these platforms are very formal and try to limit ourselves to things. Has been a great time, and it is only after 5 years students will realize how
Actually.
in what valuable ways things are, and there cannot be a very objective answer to such questions they ask.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what.
Yes.
Some questions I don't know. Like it's like they'll come. Then experience they'll know.
Yes.
Also, it's best to keep. I think not spoil the surprise.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, I think.
Okay, sir. I think. Yeah.
I don't know what time was scheduled. Sandeep will tell us.
Actually, we are scheduled for 3 weeks so that they can work on the assignment.
Okay.
Good. We've done timing, and it's a good relief actually for afternoons also. So, anyways, thanks, man. I'll just so that's all. We'll say tata bye bye
Okay,
here.
sir. Yeah.
We'll continue for 5 more minutes and then they'll go back with the work. I think we'll catch up soon. We have to catch up soon once everything gets updated. We have to meet in person. This is not our way of meeting people. You know that, we know that. We have to. So let's get soon. Yeah.
So you can share that what I've given this PDF.
Yeah, please. Can you mail it to me right away? I'll just put it.
I'll mail it to you. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, JK. See you.
Yeah. Thank you, Vivek, sir. Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
So So yes.
We'll be quick, guys. In the every student, please listen carefully.
Thank you.
Sandeep, you're not audible.
Yeah. So now, am I clear to everybody, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Part 1 of the assignment is shared right now. That is, you have to prepare the question. The steps are already clearly mentioned in the assignment that is shared with your name right now. All you have to do is open that file, type in your final questions. Once you're done, your reviewer name will be below on the bottom of the sheet. All you need to do is check with them and in Telegram, and you can quickly share them. It will be already there. The file will be there. They will give any comments. You can meet online or whatever it is. That will be done. 2 to 4, try to finish the assignment. 4 to 5, keep for improvements. Remember, there is one more step that I added. First is I divided the entire steps into 3 steps. Half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. Half an hour from now, you will prepare the questionnaire. Then half an hour, you will discuss with one other team. Any team you prefer. Group A to Group D will talk to each other for 15 minutes, share their questions to each other, speak it out loud. Then nobody's questioning anybody's questions or approach. They're just sharing their questions, and after that session, you can come back and recheck or rewrite or add or delete some of the things and better way of writing. You can do that, improve your thing. And after that, you go for your review. So always this method of approach is good. That is, first I'll prepare my own assignment answer. Then I'll check with my friends, how are they doing? I'll improve myself as much as possible, quickly, self-learning and with collaborative learning. And then go for a review, that is your faculty. And this is not considered as copying unless it is a very serious exam or something. We are improving ourselves and this is a way to learn. So don't think as if I look at my friends and see something, it is a copying or anything. You are improving yourself. That is also part of the learning. And then you get it reviewed by your faculty. The name will be written on the bottom of the sheet. Once that is done, you can just say hand in. Job is done for today. Regarding the actual interview, I will send a message at 5 o'clock how to do and how to go about that. Yeah? Are we clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, please put it in a common group Telegram, not personal messages, please, regarding this assignment. Because not just you, many people might have the same doubt about this thing, and I have to separately answer everybody's questions. So for anything related to this particular assignment, please put it in common group from now on. Okay? See you guys and this is, I think today we are not seeing each other unless you're, who is reviewing your thing. Yeah? So just talk to your reviewing faculty, and that's the end of the day. We'll catch up again tomorrow, again live all together for another beautiful session. Hope you enjoyed today's, hope you learned something, and hope it was a good use of time. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Chandana is they left. Vivek sir, Nishika ma'am.
Yes, Sandeep.
The students will contact you in Telegram, ma'am. No worries about it.
Yeah, I'm here.
Contact you. The file is already shared in classroom assignment, so you can just open the file and review that. That's it. Yes. If you want to have an online meet for that review, you can do it personally. That's it, right?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you
So
very much.
we'll leave here. See you. Bye.